when you didn't have insurance, defective equipment, and speeding 35 in the 25, and not having a valid plate, and he only wrote you for expired plate?
Your Honor,
Hang on, don't interrupt me. Do not interrupt me. I'm not going to listen if you interrupt me or raise your voice. Do we understand one another? I can't hear you. You don't want to answer? You didn't say anything. Heather, will you please get these folders together? I'm giving her until September the 15th of 26 to pay. Thank you for showing such respect. What's your name in the back, standing up?
Jessica Daniel.
What is it?
Jessica Daniel.
Jessica Daniel.
Wow,
She's time to pay.
I can give you time to pay. Is that what all you want?
Yeah, I have it right here.
Jeez. Somebody showed up. Come on up here, ma'am. Jessica Daniels. 268411907. When was she supposed to pay, Heather? Your name?
Jessica Daniels.
When was she supposed to pay?
Let me take a look. I'm pulling her up right now. Which case number was that, Judge? Because she has a couple.
No problem. 26W841907.
It looks like she missed a hearing with us back on May 11th, so it defaulted.
Right. Okay. How much time do you need to pay this?
Well, I have two questions. It's not complicated, but I have two other questions.
Well, tell me quick.
Okay. Is there a way that I can get a motion to waive the bond?
No, I'm not
Sure,
gonna,
Paul.
the court rule says I'm supposed to, assess the amount of the bonds to be total payment of fines and costs.
Okay, because one of the tickets.
So the answer to that question is no, you're gonna have to post $198, which is the outstanding balance.
Okay, because one of the tickets I'm currently in.
I only have one ticket,
Oh, it's two.
not in front of me. Yeah, you do have another one. Jessica Daniels, 260084443.
So
This,
the hearing that I missed, I had.
man, you have to go post a bond. I'm not gonna do this. I'm sorry. If you want time to pay, I can give you that. I'm not gonna waive the bond post. Okay.
I was just saying, I missed the court date because.
I don't need to- I don't need- I-
For that, for my.
Well, you needed to tell us. Who's got the phone? You gotta take the phone out, please. Will you do that for me? We got signs all over the building. I'm gonna ask you to remove the phone from the building. Ma'am, thank you. I don't know what to tell you. You missed court dates. If you had hang on, if you had a conflict, you needed to call. You can't just come in here and ask me to start waiving bonds on judgments that were entered back on May the 11th. And I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to waive the bond amount.
I understand. I
Okay?
understand that the ticket for the registration is currently in litigation because I was in an accident.
Litigation.
Yes,
So-
we're in litigation right now.
What does that have to do with it?
For the registration. I got a ticket, that's not my fault. We were in litigation. I was in an accident.
Hey, folks, can you please all do me a favor?
So I can't.
Get the phone out of the building right now. Take it out of the building right now, or I'm gonna confiscate the phone. We got signs all over the building. It's common courtesy to turn them off when you come in at a place like that. We shouldn't need a single sign anywhere in the building, and they're all over. Get the phone out of the building or I'm gonna confiscate it. There's nothing for me to say.
I understand. I was just saying that.
No,
the registration
no.
I can't do anything.
Ma'am, that's not true. That's not true. Litigation, what are you getting sued for something? I don't know. Ma'am, I'm not gonna entertain you. I'm not gonna argue with you. You have to post a bond. If you don't post a bond, the default's gonna remain in effect. I'm not sure you've given me any single reason to set it aside to begin with, but I don't wanna continue on this little colloquy here that we have going, okay? Please. You want to move to set aside those, you go down and post the bond. If you need time to pay, I will give you time to pay. You need time to pay.
Sure.
How much time do you need?
3 months.
I'm not gonna give you 3 months. Do you work?
Not right now.
Why not?
I was trying to explain to you.
All right, listen,
I was in a car
Listen.
accident too.
listen.
So I'm not able to work at the moment. I have injuries. We're in litigation. It's a lot going on.
Don't argue. Don't start with raising your voice with me. You weren't in an accident arising out of this expired license case, right?
I was.
They didn't say anything. Just says stop for, let me just read, for 35 and a 25. So the officer thought you were speeding, cut you a break, wrote you for expired plate. Passenger side tail light out. Plate expired on February 28 of 25 and no insurance. Wow, he should have sent you a Christmas basket too. I mean, if he was that nice, when you didn't have insurance, defective equipment, and speeding 35 and a 25, and not having a valid plate, and he only wrote you for expired plate?
Your Honor,
Hang on, don't interrupt. Do not interrupt me. Do we have each other? I'm not going to listen if you interrupt me or raise your voice with me. Do we understand one another? I can't hear you. You don't want to answer? You didn't say anything.
That's why I'm speaking louder, because you can't hear me.
I can joke about my hearing deficiencies. You can't. Okay, I can hear just fine. There's not a single word that you said to me that I haven't heard. You didn't say yes. You just kind of looked at me like, I don't like what you're saying, and I'm going to respond. Here's this. This is the end of the conversation. I'm going to give you an extension to pay on both of these until September 15th. That's it. Heather, make a note. I'm not setting aside the default. I'm not waiving the bond. I'm not going to do any of that. And this has nothing to do with an accident. You tell me you're involved in litigation, and I'm sorry. That is not what the case is. So, Heather, will you please get these folders together? I'm giving her until September the 15th of 26 to pay. Thank you for showing such respect. Have a great day.